Racing just is started. We have a toy for us. Break quickly at the start. Newsmaker moving up now on the outside is all Invictus in the middle portion. Now is Semper Fidelis. Swab Tiger Royal Family comes next. J. Nicole, while Savor the Champagne is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Newsmaker by a length and a half. Soul Invictus is right behind in second, and in third comes a toy for us. Moving upon the outside, Semper Fidelis. Savor the Champagne is down on the inside. J. Nicole is on the outside. Then comes Swab Tiger, while Royal Family now running at the tail of the field inside the Tres Octavo. We have Newsmaker by about 3 lengths, and in second is All Invictus. Semper Fidelis on the outside, and down on the inside comes Savor the Champagne. J. Nicole, Atoy for us, Swab Tiger, while Royal Family is still running at the tail of the field. Then they are now entering the home stretch. Newsmaker by about 2 lengths, and in second is All Invictus. Semper Fidelis down in third. Now on the fourth now is J. Nicole. Last 100 meters we have Newsmaker now by about 3 lengths over Soul Invictus. Third goes to Semper Fidelis, then comes J. Nicole, Atoy for us.
Lalabas 35612, tama ba, coach?
Tama.
35612.
Yes.
So dehado, Newsmaker